Hi, hope you guys are doing well. So today we will be looking at the cast modifier. So here I have a cube that I have subdivided using the subsurface modifier 3 times. So now we're going to go into modifiers, deform, and into the cast modifier. Now when I first turn the cast parameter on, you can see that nothing changes. That's because it's currently a sphere and the shape is set to sphere. But if I change this to something like a cylinder, you can see that it automatically. Before we continue, please consider subscribing. Only 9% of you are actually subscribed. My goal is to reach 2.5k subs by the end of this year, and drop a like and a comment while you're at it. Automatically starts to change the shape into a cylinder. You can obviously also go with a cuboid shape, and now it's trying to make it into a cube. Obviously you need to have some sort of subdivisions for this to work, and you can mess around with the axis. As you can see, if I turn off the x-axis, now it's only applying on the y and z axis. If I turn on off the y-axis, now it's only affecting the z-axis. You can obviously mess around with the factor as well, but if I'm being honest, doing these isn't actually using the cast modifier to its full potential. So I'll just go into the cuboid one. Okay, and you can obviously work with the vertex group as well. I'll just get the basics out of the way first, and after that we'll actually look into something a little bit more advanced. So I'll just select these vertices and add a vertex group of one value, and then if we tab out of the edit mode, and we'll go into the cast modifier, and then I'm just going to click on object, and now it's only affecting the vertex group area and the rest is still the same. So now if I go into shift A and then into empties, we'll just go with something like this cube, because this way it will be easier to visualize the cast modifier. So I'll just move this around over here. I'll select the cast modifier. I'll remove the vertex group because currently I wanted to affect the whole thing, and I'll just click on the object, and then I'm going to select the empty. So now it looks like that this if I shrink this empty smaller, as you can see, it's not changing the effect of the cast modifier, but if I start moving it around, you can see that it is affecting the cube. So if you actually want something like, let's just say we want to get a card and create an effect of getting it dented or something like that, this modifier is very useful. Well, actually all of the modifiers in the deform category are useful if you actually want to work with different deformations. Okay, so now if I start increasing the radius, you can see that it is affecting without me even moving the empty. Okay, if I now move it, it's affecting it when on a bigger scale. Obviously you can do some other stuff like this, like if I combine it with the vertex group option, and if you remember correctly, the vertex groups were only on the top part. So now if I move the empty, you can see it's only affecting the vertex group part. So I hope you guys learned something today. Please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.